myself, I'm working as a senior software engineer in Reliance Geo product. So, so basically, I'm a software engineer by career and by my profession, and then what I have to say that this is so far I'm having experience of 5.7 years. Okay, so I have started my career as a software developer in Chennai. The company where the company called Infosys System Private Limited. Okay, and then I have so where in Infoscient, I've worked as a software developer for 1 2 year, and then the company somehow growed. So people are recruited. A lot of recruitment that has had happened. So then so I have promoted as means my designation promoted as senior software engineer, and then I have worked for 1 year, 2016. So from I have started my career in 2013 to 2016. Okay, so the product are the so where I have worked in products like one small ERP for one small industry textile company. So the product is called as Chidan Lakshmi Textiles web portal. So in which we have in which so the product is basically for like maintaining their employee record and their product record, how they are making the product, how they are delivering the product, how the employees getting salary like payroll, attendance, and basically all the that ERP contains. And the difference between other ERP here is the functionality of the company product. And the product is actually it's a textile company, so they are making silk saree from scratch, from raw materials to full product. Like they are buying somewhere else a yarn, and they are making into then dyeing, and then they are making into designing, and then they are making into embroidering, and then the product is delivered. So these are all the functionalities for them. Okay, so each and every functionality has different means input and output. Means how what is the raw materials for yarning, and the further how much is where means um, how much product means how much output has come, and how much is went to waste. Okay, so this maintenance is important, and also the how when it was done, when it was when it was started, and when it was delivered from next level, the next box functionality like dying. So then and then next is something we can say that mm, next is what we can say. Next is designing. In the designing, it is so designing is there are a lot of designings, or they are having list of designs. Okay, so it is silk saree, so they have own design, and they are having own designs. So they might be have some kind of stuff like so this is the base for how the functionality of yarn is working. The same functionality applicable for embroidery and the designing and the product delivery, and also some stock management is also there. How so they are having some clients, right? So they are having some clients, though they will deliver the product to them, and they also for that they will get some amount as advance, some amount as debits, some amount as a low means debits, like that. So that details maintained in stock management. So this is a functional level I'm speaking. Okay, in technical, there is a technical stuff here is uh, yeah, we have used Structs framework for the development, and after Structs we have used MySQL as a database, and Java, I think 1.7 is being used. 1.7 or 1.7, I think so. 1.7 is being used, was used, had been used there a time. And the next thing is the next thing is the next thing would be, so that's the part actually. So that was done. And then the product where so another product, it is not a product type of kind, it is some means proof of concept we can say. So it's like a file upload into cloud. File upload into cloud, the cloud application is file upload into cloud. The cloud application is something like mm, how to say that, the file upload is something, the file upload yeah, file upload is something, yeah. Security, while uploading file there is some security, some concept that is from the concept of secure file uploading, we have used that concept. And then